Hi, Doug from J.Racenstein. Let's talk about the Ettore pole just for a second. Very universal pole. You can use it with your squeegees and your mop to do high pulling with. It's adjustable. It's one of the strongest poles out there. As you can see, it's all ribbed, giving the aluminum that extra strength. It's not just a cylinder. The grooves are put in here for a purpose to make it more rigid. Highly adjustable. This is the average 12-foot pole. 2-3 sections. It's a great pole for everything you do around the house. Another one. Here's the Ettore spider web remover. It's easy. Right before you soft wash the house, just rub it across and knock down all those cobwebs. Real simple to do. Very versatile. Make sure you add the Ettore pole to your lineup today. J.Racenstein, Doug out.